Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please give me a thumbs up. I like your thumbs up. I don't like the thumbs down. Leave your comments. Please share this video out with everyone. And I do read every one of your comments. I just cannot answer them all. I hope you understand. Y'all, the executive orders may not be executed, and they are facing lawsuits if he tries to execute them. As we all know, President Trump has signed off on 4 executive orders. They are $400 unemployment benefits per week, but it's only for 5 weeks. Payroll tax deferral, which you will pay back at the end of that deferral. Waiving of student loans until December 31st. Assistance to renters, but at the end of this assistance, you will pay that back. So these executive orders are really just a bowl of garbage. They really don't help no one. They may help Donald Trump look good in his eyes, but most people can see right through this. It's for your vote. The Democrat says that Donald Trump does not have the authority to do this, and they will take him straight to court on them. The Democrats say that in order for the executive orders to get funding, he will need approval from Congress, and they will not give him approval. Trump says he does not need approval. He does not need new funding because he's going to use money left over from other projects. But federal law states the administration can only use these monies allocated for certain programs on the program they were allocated on. That's federal law. In my opinion, the executive order is just to make the Democrats look bad and to get your vote. The way I see it, they all look bad. And they don't need these executive orders to make them look bad. They all look bad on their own. They don't need help. They can do that on their own. And I'm talking about Democrats, Republicans, the House, the White House, President Trump. They can all do that very well on their own. They don't need no help to look bad. They look bad. Y'all, my video yesterday, I got quite a bit of hate on it because it seemed like I was downing Donald Trump. I was not downing Donald Trump. I was stating the facts. But for what I'm going to say to the people that was downing me for what I was saying, make your own channel. Put all the rainbows and butterflies and unicorns on it you want. On this channel, we talk about real life problems, and it's not always pretty. So if you don't like what I say, see you later. I'm going to deliver the truth the way I see it. Y'all, I do love you all. Please share this video. Please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I do love you all. Ciao.